guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I believe this is going to be the new limited edition Ultimate Grilling Box by Special Delivery. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So a little bit of a backstory. If you did see my last unboxing of the new summer seasonal box, in that video I told you how that particular box was lost. It was MIA for a few weeks. UPS was blaming USPS and vice versa. And I was told that per the way that the label was created from the shipper, no, I couldn't make a claim or do anything as the receiver, only the shipper. So I wrote to customer service and explained to them what was going on, and I asked if they could kindly call or email them just so they can start the claim to figure out where my box was. And they wrote back just saying they will replace the box, no questions asked. I'm like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Well, short story long, it just showed up unattended all on its own at one point at my P.O. box, and I'm like, oh my gosh, so is this the replacement or is this the one that was missing? So I tracked it and it said it was the one that was started like a month prior to. So I was like, okay, so this was my missing box that is now found in action. So instantly in the parking lot of my post office, I wrote customer service and was like, it just showed up. Like, if you didn't send the other one, please don't send it. I got it. I got it now. So don't waste any time or money on shipping the other box. If you can stop it, please stop it. So they wrote back stating that they were going to go ahead and send me the grilling box for my troubles. And I'm like, you do not need to do that. I got my box. But again, they have the best customer service. So they wanted to make it right for my inconvenience and send me this box. So this was sent to me not for review or anything like that. This was sent to me just for the confusion and everything from my other box. So I thought I would just unbox this with you guys, show you what is in here, because this might be a great idea for yourself or a gift idea, because it's all curated around grilling, and that is the best time of year right now in the dead of summer. So I wanted to show you what was inside. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in here. It's of course, like their other boxes, nice and hefty. It feels like it's full of products. So let's get this open. Oop. Let me just stick my finger in there. There we go. All right, so when we open it up, yes, this is the grilling box. So what I did is I went to their website right before sitting down to film, just so I can see if I can find pricing for this box. This box is still available. Again, it's the limited edition essential grilling box. It's normally $89.95 and it's currently on sale for $79.95 plus shipping to the US. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in here. On their site, it showed the cookbook and one other item as a sneak peek. Other than that, I have no clue what is inside. What is inside this box. So let's learn together, and I'm seeing stuff on here and I'm already thinking this is going to be an amazing box. So again, this is the limited edition ultimate grilling box. You can grab it for yourself or for a gift idea. This is not like their seasonal box, so you can grab this with no commitment. So that's what it looks like when you first open it up. Oh, are we gonna have our recipe cards in here as well? Yes. Okay, so that's one thing with their seasonal box that I really, really love is you get a cookbook and you get recipe cards in every box. And I love that. Ooh, and of course this would be like a grilling type recipe. So this top one here, it says herb grilled corn on the cob. Yes, please. Best baby back ribs. Yes, please. Spicy lemon chicken kebabs. Oh, that sounds amazing. Herb stuffed cheeseburgers. Grilled jalapenos, especially I'm growing them outside, so that would be great to do. And then grilled angel food cake with strawberries. Wow, alrighty, that is amazing. And all of them are like, summertime recipes. That is awesome. So there's the recipes for this box. Now let's just go ahead and start seeing what's in here. Ooh, KitchenAid all-purpose shears. I think we can all use some really good kitchen shears, and I like KitchenAid products. A lot of stuff in my kitchen I purchase that is KitchenAid. KitchenAid or OXO are like the two top brands that I like to purchase, and that's what it looks like right there. So these right here say KitchenAid Universal All-Purpose Shears. Will help you with any needs you have getting dinner prepared, from cutting veggies to chicken. So let me get these open so we can see them out of the packaging. So here is the pair of scissors, and it says KitchenAid right there. Nice. And then it does have this to put over them. I really like that, so you can protect them when you do toss them into your drawer. So you do have this pair of scissors, all-purpose scissors. All right, so then now we have, okay, so this was the other spoiler on the website, was this digital thermometer. It is a digital long-stemmed thermometer. It has a long 5.63-inch step-down probe, extra large display, convenient hanging loop, keep hands at a safe distance. So there's this right here, and it looks like it might be sent at random for like the color. I'll open this to see what color this is, but on here it shows it like in the color red. So it might be different colors that are sent at random as far as this goes, but you will get the long stemmed digital thermometer. Especially this is great when you are grilling because you want to make sure your meat is done before you pull it off the grill. I definitely do not want uncooked meat, that is for sure. I did get the color in black. So it does have this little plastic thing right here that you just remove, so then the battery can start ticking. Now it is on, so you have your on and off right there. And then you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit right there, and then just see what your food is. I like that. Nice and easy. And it does have the really long design. So that is neat. So that one right here, it just says extra long 5.6-inch probe allows your hands to keep at a safe distance when checking the temperature or frying oil. So there's that item. Next we have, which this is definitely good for barbecuing, is some tongs. Let me get this out of the package. So out of the packaging, this is what it looks like right here. And it does have these little things here that I've never seen on tongs before. I wonder what that's intended for. Let's see. It says Dripless tongs. Built-in tong rest keeps counters clean. So you actually just use that to set it on the counter with. So you can just set it there. You have like little feet. That is so neat. I've never had that on tongs before. 12-inch dripless stainless steel tongs has a built-in tool rest to help your counter stay clean. Nylon head, heat resistant up to 400 degrees, and safe for all non-stick cookware. These will soon become one of your most used items in the kitchen. And I really especially like that it does have these. So when he is barbecuing, if he wants to use that, because most of the time he has to like set it on a plate, it's more inconvenient when you're outside without having something like that, because you do have to set them on something and you don't want it to get dirty. So I like the fact that it has this little feet to keep it propped up off the counters, keep it clean, and I really like that. You do have a little hole here, so if you wanted to hang it even, you could definitely do that. So here is a set of tongs. Now we have, ooh, and I love this. I could always use some extra little corn. Oh my goodness, everything today is, maybe my mind is just not in the right state of mind today, because everything is looking very weird to me when I'm doing the hand motions, but these are corn holders, and I have the ones that look like little corn, and sometimes they're kind of hard because they're hard to hold because they're so small. It's like a little tiny shape like a corn. They're old school. These actually have a bigger handle, so it'll be easier to hold, I believe. So it's a set of 4, and you have all different colors you can put on each one. So, and again, I really like that it's a bigger, thicker handle, because I feel like that will be easier to hold. Too hot to handle, too cold to hold. Ooh, and something that I like even better, are you noticing something that I'm already noticing? You're not gonna have things poking at you. All of mine are just like in a little Tupperware, and you reach in, you're gonna get poked in all kinds of things. This one here is designed to just keep them together. Oh my gosh, I love this so much more, because A, you're gonna keep them together, so you're not trying to find the one versus the other to have a matching set. So they're always gonna stay together, so they're always there for you, and they are protecting the little pokers. They're not gonna poke you. I absolutely love that. And again, it does have a nice little grip for you to grip the corn, and I like how you can just keep them like this together. I like that. I'm so impressed with corn on the cob holders. I'm so impressed with these. It's JOIE corn holders. If you are like us, a summer dinner is not complete without a side of corn. Yes, these corn holders are the perfect add to any kitchen. Great way to keep your fingers butter free. And again, I like how they stay together and they're connected. I really love that. Oh, this is from the same brand, and oh, I don't have anything like this. This is a burger press. Perfect patties every time. That is neat. Let me find this here. Burger press. Who doesn't love to have all burgers finished at the same time? This burger press will give you a perfect size patty each time. No more worrying. We got you covered. It says add meat on top of the lifter. Flatten the meat with the plunger and then use the lifter handle to remove. So it all tells you exactly right here on how to do it. That is so neat though. Okay, so here is the entire thing and it does just stay all together. So all the pieces can just stay inside. So what it's saying is when you do it, you put this little guy down here, put that in where it goes, fill that in with your meat, and then you press this down until you get it to the size you want and you flatten it out. And then you use this to lift up and get your meat out of here. That is really, really neat. And I know this is definitely gonna go to use in this house because we love to grill, and burgers is definitely on our top of our grilling list. So definitely will be in use for sure. I really like that. Okay, so there's still more items in here, you guys. This one right here is the Zule Kitchen. It's a knife sharpener. Ooh, I can always use a good knife sharpener. My man got me a set where you pull the knife out and it's supposed to sharpen it as you put the knife in and out. But I'm always like having to pick it up and like, and it still is not sharp. So I'm so glad to now have another one so that I can sharpen all my knives and they can be nice and sharp again because I hate a dull knife. Let's get this open so we can see how it looks. All right, so out of the package, this is what it looks like. I like that it does have this soft space here, like on the bottom. So when you set it down, it's probably gonna be like less slippery, so more like slip resistant. And then it's not gonna mess up your counter when you have it sitting there and you're like, you know, using this to sharpen your knives. So this says, this handheld knife sharpener will keep all of your knives in top condition for whatever you have in store. This is great for serrated or straight edge knives. Nice. Oh, and it does tell you fine or coarse. So there's two different levels on, I guess, for the knife sharpener. You have a fine and then a coarse blade there. And then that's your handle so you can hold it so when you're sharpening, and then you can toss this in your drawer, pull it out whenever you need to sharpen your knives. That is really, really neat. I like that. And again, I'm definitely going to start sharpening all my knives because they definitely could use a good sharpen, let me tell you. All right, so it looks like there's going to still be a few more items in here. My goodness. Ooh, this now is going to come in handy. I have seen these, but I have never actually purchased one. These are the bear paws. You pull, shred, lift, grip, serve, and more. It's like a multifunctional, especially like when I make my dog's food. If you guys don't know, I always make her food, and she loves chicken. So I will boil up some chicken and then I have to shred it, which I normally shred it by hand. I've tried using my mixer, but that's a pain in the ass to try to pull that down, get that out, clean everything. So I just normally do it by hand or with 2 forks. Now I can use it with these and I'll have more control because I can hold these handles and have, like, you know, definitely more control at shredding the chicken or anything that we need to use it for. So I really, really like this. Easy and fun to use. Lift, handle, shred, pull, and carve to your heart's content. Excellent as turkey lifters too. Our unique design gives you the perfect handheld for safety managing and super shred sharpening blades. Again, I am definitely going to be using this, especially for making Vienna's food so I can shred her chicken a lot easier. It's gonna definitely save me some time. So I love that. Okay, so now there's one more item still underneath this, but this is the cookbook. And I absolutely love that they include a cookbook in their boxes. I love them because they're full color. There's so many different recipes in here. Like, you can sit down, go through everything, dog ear what you want to make at some point, start getting some ideas, making your list, checking it twice. This does say for USA, it's a value of $17.99 for this book, but I absolutely love it. Is the ultimate guide to grilling. So anything grilling is all in here, and it's a great thing for the summer. So I am super, super excited about that cookbook. And then the last item that is down here, you guys, circular kebab skewer. Oh my gosh. It's instead of a straight skewer to have kebabs, it's circular. That is so neat. So here they are right here. They're all turned. I've never seen anything like this before. So these say circular kebab skewers. With these clever kebab skewers, your food can literally stick around. Stick around. Like stick around your plate. And then it says perfect for grilling smaller cuts of fish, meats, and vegetables. Non-stick finish for easy removal of foods and easy cleanup. 8-inch diameter, fits nicely on most dinner plates. Let's see what these look like. I'm so intrigued. I've never seen a circular kebab. I have straight ones, but I've never seen circular. Oh my goodness. And it has like a little flame on the end. And then it does have this little plastic here, so you remove that. And then that is the tip, so it's nice and sharp on one end. And you just start putting all of your meats, your vegetables, whatever you would like. And you have it as this. It's like a half moon circle. Like, that is so cool. I've never seen it like that. And I like that little, design on the end. Looks like a little flame. That is so cool. So you have four different ones down in here. And yes, that is now everything for this limited edition ultimate grilling box. So this entire thing right now is on sale for, what did I say, $79.95. So this would be a great idea, if, like I said, for yourself or for another, if you know somebody that's having like a birthday or any type of occasion, or just because. This would be a great box because it's all about grilling. That is awesome. So a quick recap again, we do have the 4-piece circular kebab set. You have this knife sharpener. You have these 2 handheld claw paws, which are multifunctional. You have the neatest, which I'm loving, these corn cob holders. There is these tongs with a little resting area, which I absolutely love. You have this for making the perfect size meat patties. You do have this digital thermometer, so you can make sure your meat is done and to perfection before removing off of the grill. You have your KitchenAid shears. There is the recipe cards, and then the cookbook. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for this limited edition ultimate grilling box. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the items that was in here? What do you think about this box? I am loving every item in there. I think it's a great box for this time of year. Everything is definitely screaming grilling, summertime cooking. So I am loving this box. Again, you can definitely check them out while supplies last. You can grab it for $79.95. Shipping is an addition, and you can have this amazing box shipped to you or another. But you can definitely go check them out. I will have them linked below. You can follow that and see what they have to offer. You can check out their normal seasonal boxes, or you can check out the grilling box. Now, I did see, if you go to their website and you click on past boxes, I believe they have last summer, I think it was last year or the year before. I didn't quite look at the year, but I know it's not this year. But they have a summer and a fall box from a previous year. And I believe it was discounted down to like $20-something. So if you wanted to check out one of those to save money, you can definitely grab an older box at a hugely discounted rate. But they will be linked down below if you'd like to go check them out to see what they all have to offer. And a big thank you to Special Delivery for sending me this grill box for that confusion and all of that stuff. You definitely did not need to do it, but I'm so glad you did, so now I can show my viewers what is all inside this amazing grilling box. So now that is everything that I have for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.